Stay tuned to the end of this video to find out how you can enter to win your own set of Lasfit floor mats for your Chevy Silverado. Welcome back to South Park Garage. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be doing a full review of the Lasfit floor mats that I installed in my truck 3 months ago. Let's start off this review by talking about the details of the Lasfit floor mats that they have listed on their website. Got it pulled up right here on the iPad. Just going to go over some quick information. These are the Chevy Silverado GMC Sierra 1500 Crew Cab floor mats for 2019 to 2022. Lasfit lists a perfect match using 3D scanning technology to capture every corner and crevice to perfectly fit edge to edge. They use environmentally friendly TPE materials. They offer all-weather protection. The channels in the floor mats and the raised edges help trap any type of debris, dust, dirt, snow, water, and they are extremely easy to clean. Being this high-quality, durable rubber, you just take them out, rinse them off, blow them off, and you're good to go. Obviously, you can read all of this on their website. So what you're really here for is probably my opinion, why I put them in my truck to begin with, and how I feel about them after 3 months of use. Let's start with the positives. I really love how these fit in my truck. They have an extremely good fit. I would honestly agree with what they say on their website about having a perfect fit with their 3D scan technology. It is an incredible fit, both front and back, passenger and driver side, for these floor mats. They are definitely very high quality. I've not had any issues with any type of deterioration or any kind of folding over of any of the edges. You can see here the channel on the outside help keep everything in the mats. These are still extremely solid, just like the first day I put them in. Obviously mine are a little dirty from 3 months of use, but hey, that's what this video is about, showing you what these can do. And you can see that if I didn't have these in the truck, my carpet or anything else would be a lot dirtier than it is. But thanks to these, very clean carpet here directly underneath these floor mats. I also like that this rear piece that I just showed you is one piece instead of two interlocking pieces like the Chevrolet style. It just makes it really easy to just plop it in the floorboard. These floor mats are so great. They are absolutely incredible. And another place of fit that I really like is they don't have an edge that comes up on here. This is kick panel, it's plastic, doesn't really need the edge right there anyway. And the Chevy floor mats, that edge didn't stay flush up against the kick panel. It was constantly folding in. Just didn't look real good. I just was not happy with a couple of those features of the Chevy floor mats. But so far, these Lasfit floor mats have been absolutely incredible. But there is one area where I feel like Lasfit could improve on their design a little bit. And it's not the entire set. It's just the front passenger side mat. On the driver's side, there are locking tabs built into the floor that hold the mat in place. Passenger side, Chevy did not put any locking tabs in the floor, so there's really nothing to hold the mat in place, and it will slide pretty easy front and back. I'll notice probably about once a week I'll have to come in and just pull it back all the way up against the seat, because eventually it'll just kind of slide forward and leave that gap right there. It doesn't slide far. It ends up kind of hitting this ridge and doesn't go much farther than that. It's just something I noticed, and I think that it'd be nice if Lasfit could do something with the underside to help it kind of grab the carpet so it wouldn't slide. In 3 months, that is my absolute only complaint for these floor mats. I can honestly say, without a doubt, I am extremely happy with this purchase, and I'm very happy that I put these in and took out the Chevy OEM floor mats. And speaking of Chevy floor mats, let's do a little price comparison of some of the main competitors for all-weather floor mats in your Silverado or Sierra. We might as well start with the Chevy one since that was what we were just talking about. Chevy sells their floor mats as two separate part numbers. You have the front floor mats and the rear floor mats. You have to buy them as two separate items. But if you put them together, you're looking at a cost of around $220 for the full set of floor mats for your Silverado or Sierra. Another popular brand is WeatherTech. For the WeatherTech front and rear floor mats, for their original generation, you're looking at around $210. But if you want their updated HP floor mats, that price is going to be even higher. Now let's talk about Lasfit. At regular price, Lasfit floor mats are $179.99, so they're already going to be more affordable than the other two brands mentioned in this comparison. And right now, they're even on sale. Their sale price is listed at $135.99. So you are saving almost $100. You're looking at an $85 savings from the Chevrolet floor mats, and you're looking at a $75 savings from the WeatherTech floor mats, their original generation, not the HPs. So that price difference is going to be even higher. So let's think about this. We have a quality product, a single piece rear mat instead of two pieces that don't like to stay put together, and a more affordable price. To me, that makes Lasfit the clear winner. And because I believe in this product and I think it is an exceptional floor mat product, especially for the price you get it at, I want to give you the chance to win your very own set of Lasfit floor mats for your Chevy Silverado. That's right, I am giving away a completely free set of floor mats. They will fit either your Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra, depending on which truck you have. In order to enter for the giveaway, make sure you are subscribed to Southpaw Garage YouTube channel. Put a comment down below on this video letting me know which types of video you prefer to see on my channel, whether it's Silverado videos, Chevy Nova videos, the GMC C1500 that we just started doing videos on, Chevy Blazer, car show videos, whichever ones you prefer. Leave them listed down in the comments below. I'd love to get your feedback on which of my videos you prefer to watch. And follow Lasfit on their two Instagram accounts. You'll see their accounts listed right over here, along with the rest of the instructions listed. The giveaway will be chosen on June 1st. So you have until the end of May 2022 to enter this giveaway. I will announce the winner in a posted video, and I will reach out to them via direct message to let them know how they can claim their free Lasfit floor mats. But that's going to do it for this video. I'm glad I actually get the chance to do something for my viewers, so thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you want to enter to win these floor mats, just follow the steps listed. I appreciate all of you for subscribing and viewing my videos. But for now, this is Southpaw Garage signing out.